right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in again. We're out here looking for the camera this morning. It's about 1 degree Celsius. It's pretty cold. Anyway, as you can see, this is where we were, and it's a real mess. We came down this trail doing a little bit of exploration, and let's just say it wasn't side-by-side friendly, to say the least. This is where we turned around. We were only about a couple hundred yards. Actually, I can see the guy's truck that's parked at his house at the road that we drove up. We just can't get any further to get out to the main road. Anyway, that being said, right there is where my camera laid all night. It laid in that. Boom! We got it back. I don't owe Mike a mount anymore. Thanks a lot, Michael, for loaning me this. And yeah, so that's where it laid. So we're going to work our way back up to the machine. We didn't even drive through this stuff because, as you can see, it's not really a side-by-side. It's not even really an ATV-friendly trail. We just came down it trying to see where it was going, and yeah, we were coming in this morning. Dylan just reminded me. We were coming in this morning, and we were coming up the road, and there was a little clearing off to the left and a whole bunch of crows up above. And of course, my camera was laying in the woods. Didn't have it on the bike. Don't have any camera gear on the bike. And what jumps out in front of us? What flies out in front of us? A freaking huge bald eagle. It was amazing.
Like the size of this. It was like the size of this.
I know, it was huge, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was massive. So anyway, that was pretty awesome. A young fella got to see that, and we're going to work our way back up here to the bike and go home and put this in a bag of rice. I don't think it's got a little bit of water in the lens, maybe, but it looks like it's pretty good. There was a little crack. There was a little crack in the lens in the front, and it looks like maybe a little bit of water seeped in around that crack. But all in all, considering where it's at all night in negative temperatures, we're going to take it home, put it in a bag of rice for the night, or for the day. I'm going to drive up to Pugwash and return that tire. And yeah, plug it in tonight. Guaranteed we're going to have some good footage on it. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like the videos that I'm making. I'm kind of changing the format a bit as to what I'm doing to try to make it a little bit more interesting. And we'll see you on the trails.